Hi, my name is Ryan Geiger. I got my start in advanced manufacturing from Fox Valley Tech. In high school, I was experiencing a lot of different technologies and manufacturing devices. I wanted to do something, make stuff with my hands, and just if I could think it, I could build it. And that's where I was kind of drawn to the machinist side, and one of my high school teachers said, why don't you try this area? And I looked into it and ended up loving it. The advantage of taking the dual credits at Brillion High School, taking those credits while they were free and transferring them to a Fox Valley Tech, which gave me a leg up in starting the program faster and sooner and not having to spend more of my own money. On a daily basis, I will go from just making the dies and fixtures that you will see on product in a lawnmower and snowblowers for our units that we build, to repairing the stuff that's broken, to building the new stuff every day. Full realm of start to finish on every project. It's changing every day. There's nothing really the same. You get a new project, but you're not making 300 parts of one part. You're making one part and you're moving to the next block, making that block. Fully customizing everything you do. The technology at Fox Valley Tech's machine tool shop, you train on the best to experience the best in your career, and when you can work with the best equipment every day, it makes your learning experience more enjoyable. It's a clean, fun, and cool environment to work in.